Hello friends, so today we are starting chapter number 4 of Math of class 8, playing with numbers. So this topic is related to reasoning, or I think those students after completing the degree or plus 2, so when you will face the competitive exams, so like these questions will be given in competitive exams. So from the beginning you have to prepare yourself, so how to solve the problems, it means reasoning, it means logically how you have to solve these questions are related to, it means mental maths. So first of all, some patterns are given and you have to follow the patterns and then you have to solve. First question, exercise 4.1, chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, first question. If x and y are two positive numbers, x minus y is 100 and the sum of x and y is 540, then the values of x and y are respectively. We have to find the values of two numbers. The difference of the two numbers. See, the difference of two numbers. Two numbers, it means x minus y are the x and y are the numbers, their difference is 100. So, and the sum of the numbers, it means x plus y. Numbers are x and y. Their sum is 540. 540. Students, pay attention. There are two methods. One we have not done because that will be in class 10. So, by it means elimination method. What is elimination method? These are two equations. This is equation first and this is equation second. Both the method I will tell and which will be easy for you. Try to understand. So, x minus y is equal to 100. This is, you can give the name equation number 1. And x plus y is equal to 540. This is equation number 2. So students, you have to focus this side on adding 1 and 2. You can add by column method or you can add horizontal also, no problem. So on adding 1 and 2, on adding 1 and 2. So now I am adding by horizontal, it means x minus y plus x plus y is equal to 100 plus 540. All are understanding? Okay. Now 1 minus y and 1 is plus y. So both are equal, so we can cut them because signs are unlike, different signs. So if both are equal and signs are different, then we can cut. So x and x becomes 2x is equal to 540 and 100. So 640. 640. So value of x will be 640 by 2. So x will be 320. So value of x is 320. Now we need a value of y also. So how we find the value of y? Now see this side. Because you know x minus y is equal to 100. This is given. Yes or no? X minus y is equal to 100. This is given. And we get the value of x 320. So on putting the value of x in this equation, this is equation 1. So on putting the value of x in 1. So x is 320 minus y is equal to 100. So minus y is equal to 100 minus 320, because when I will shift 320 that side, sign will be changed. So now 100 was already there, now 320 becomes minus 320. So minus y minus 320 and 100, so it becomes minus 220. Minus 220. Minus cancel 2 minus, so y is equal to 220. So value of x, one number is 320 and the second number is 220. So for your satisfaction, verification, so 320 plus 220, if I will add them, their sum will be 540, and the difference of x and y 320 minus 220, so difference is 1. I hope you have understood. Again I am repeating, the sum of two numbers is given 540 and the difference of the number is 100. So you can give the name of first equation 1 and this is equation second. On adding 1 and 2, so now this is the addition of these two equations. So x minus y plus x plus y is equal to 100 plus 540. Minus y plus y cancel, x and x becomes 2x is equal to 640. So value of x 640 by 2, so 320. Now after breaking the value of x, you can put in any equation, you can put in 1 or you can put it into, this doesn't matter. So x minus y is equal to 100, so 320 minus y is equal to 100, so y will be minus minus 220. So minus cancel to minus, y is equal to 220. So numbers are 320 and 220. Understood? Okay. Now next. Think of a number. Third part, think of a number, add 5, then multiply by 6. The answer is 180. What is the number? So, this chapter is not so much difficult. So, if you try it, so you will be able to solve because all the questions are logical. So, you have to do practice. Third part, think of a number. So, let the required number is x. Let the required number be x. I assume required number is x. Understood? Now what is the condition? Think of a number, add 5, then multiply by 6. According to question, what is the question? According to question, think of a number, add 5. So number is x. Now 5 is added. I added 5 and multiply by 6. So this is multiplied by 6. The answer is 180. I think all are understanding. Very simple. I assume the required number x. So what is the question? What is the condition? Add 5 to the number. So 5 is added. Then multiply the, it means sum of two numbers will be equal to the, it means product of x plus y and 6 will be 180. Now rules of solving the bracket you know. 6 multiplied with both the terms with x and with 5 also. Students are doing this mistake. They are multiplying only with one term. So that is wrong. So multiply with this term. Don't forget this one. First 6 multiply with x. So 6x. 6 multiplied with 5, 30 is equal to 180. Is equal to 180. So this is variable term. Keep one side. 180 minus 30. So 6x is equal to 150. 6x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 by 6. So x is equal to. So now because the sum of two numbers, so I have to think about the number, so it will be, you can cut it. 3 5 are, it means by 2. It means 25. Direct also you can cut, no problem. So 25 is the number. 25 is the number. So you can verify number is 25. Verification. 25 is the number. If I will add 5, so 5 is added and multiplied by 6. 25 and 5 becomes 30. 30 multiplied with 6. So 180 is the result. So this is the required number. Have you understood? Okay. Once again I am repeating. Let the required number be x. If 5 is added to the number and multiplied by 6, result is 180. So 6x plus 30 is equal to 180. 6x I kept this side, and when I will change the side of this, so sign will be changed. So after changing the sign, it becomes minus 30. So 180 minus 30, 150. Value of x is 25. So the number 25 plus 5 multiplied by 6, so it becomes 180. So this is the answer and verification. Thank you. Next question. So, fifth part. First of all, try to know what are two digits numbers. Two digits number. So, I hope you all know two digits number. In two digits numbers, first is units digit and second is tens digit. It means 10 to 99. All the numbers are two digits number. So, what is the question? The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 8. If its digits are reversed, the new number so formed is increased by 18. The number is. So, we have to find the number. So, sum of the digits of a number is given. The sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of two-digit numbers, digit number is 8. This is the sum. Yes or no? Sum is given. So I will assume units digit. Let units digit of the number, I assume x. This also clear? Sum of two digits is 8. One digit I assume x. Then what will the tens digit? Then tens digit. Then tens digit. Sum is 8. Units digit is x. So 8 minus x. 8 minus x. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now this is tens digit and this is units digit. According to question, so what is the statement? The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 8. If its digits are reversed, the new number so formed is increased by 18. So now make the number. Then the number will be. This is tens digit. So what is the formula? For example, 12 is the number. So 12 how will obtain? If tens digit is 1, 1 is multiplied by 10, and if I will add 2, so 10 plus 2 becomes 12. So the formula for making two digit numbers, multiply tens digit by 10 and add units digit. I am repeating again. Formula for making two digit numbers, multiply tens digit by 10 and add units digit. 1 is the tens digit, I multiply by 10, so 10 plus 2, so result is 12, so this is a 2 digit number. Now the number is, this is tens digit and this is units digit, so 10 into 8 minus x plus add units digit, so this is added. Now solve the bracket, 80 minus 10x plus x, so 80 minus 10x plus x becomes 9x. So this is the original number according to this statement. Now what is the condition? If the orders of the numbers are changed, it means after reversing the order, the obtained number, what is the condition? I will apply after first step. After reversing the order, the new number. After reversing or after changing the order. After changing the order, it means tens digit become units digit and units digits becomes tens digit. So what is the number now? It becomes tens digit. Now multiply tens digit by 10 and add units digit. It means 8 minus x. 8 minus x. So 10x minus x, 9x plus 8. This is the new number. Original number is 80 minus 9x and after reversing the order, new number is 9x plus 8. Now according to question, you can write according to question or according to question or according to the given condition. You can write anything, no problem. According to question, what is the question? Original number is 80 minus 9x and new number is 9x plus 8. So what is the condition? If its orders digits are reversed, the new number so formed is increased by 18. Now this becomes 18 more. Now new number is 9x plus 8. Now it is increased by 18. If I will subtract 18 from this, then both will be equal because it increased by 18. New number was increased by 18. I subtracted 18 from this, or you can add 18 to this to make them equal. So I subtracted 18 from this. So now like terms, it means minus 9x is already here. Minus 9x. This 9x I will bring this side. So when I will change the side, sign will be changed. So it becomes minus 9x. 8 minus 18 minus 10. And when I will shift 80 that side, it becomes minus 80. This also clear? Okay. Now minus 9x, both are minus. Add them and sign also will be of minus. So minus 18x. So this will be minus 90. Minus 10 and minus 80 becomes minus 90. Minus cancel to minus. X will be 90 by 18. It means 5. So units digit is 5. What will the number? Units digit is 5. Units digit is 5. Tens digit, sum is 8. 8 minus 5, it means 3. Then the number will be 3 multiplied 10 plus 5. So 30 plus 5, it will be 35. So number is 35. You can verify. The sum of the digits are 3 and 5, their sum will be 8. If order will be changed, after changing the order, 35 will be equal to 53. So 53 is 18 more than 35. This is the verification because 35 is the original number. If I will change, I will reverse the order, it becomes 53 and 53 is 18 more than the number. Have you understood? Okay. So in exercise 4.1, all the questions are like this. So rest are by seeing the pattern. So you can try yourself. Or after that, you have to solve the problem related to divisibility test. So all the students in earlier classes also, you know what are the divisibility tests. By seeing the number, how you can identify this number will be divisible by 2 or this number will be divisible by 3 or divisible by 4. Because no need to check by divisions. By seeing also according to rule you can check. So I hope you will try to learn the basic concepts which one we have done in earlier classes, divisibility test. So thank you.